You got cow dunged!
Why are you peeing there?
Started the pit fire. Oh, look at this. See?
That's so silly. Don't get it. Don't get it.
Such a beautiful view. Such a beautiful view. How are you liking that? Like we just saw the most beautiful sunset in the farms.
Yeah.
This is the place where you can sit and have your bonfires. Such a rustic feel to it. kind of haunted house, right?
Oh.
I mean, look at this. This is so raw. Seems like an abandoned farm.
Do you have microwaves here?
Microwave?
Yeah.
Oh, there's a barbecue and some gas stoves. I don't think you have a microwave. There's a radio. How long has this place has been abandoned? Look at this. Look at the sofas. Okay, this is the kitchen. Is there anything in the fridge?
No, the fridge are open.
The fuck? Wow. Some camping ground we have found. Never seen anything raw like this.
Me too.
Look at this.
Toilet. Where's toilet?
Hey! What are you doing?
You asked me to shoot from there.
Yeah, what the fuck? When did I ask you to?
Just now.
What?
Why are you peeing there?
That's a gentleman's pisser.
Okay,
That's a
did you shake?
I'll shake your head. How about that? It also has a flush.
Oh, yo, did you flush?
Yeah. Let's go and set up our tents. What's that? That's
Smelly.
cow dung! You got cow dung! Yay!
How do I clean this?
Just rub it on the grass now. You cannot avoid it. And then you have to obviously remove those socks, those pajamas. You cannot come inside with those pajamas inside the tent. You stink and reek of cow dung.
That was slippery.
Yeah. That's why you shouldn't get scared and run randomly. You'll get hurt or get stepped in the cow dung. Yay, show me your face. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. Clean, clean. Clean, keep rubbing. They will be looking to you like, who's this farm girl?
How about inside the sleeper?
Oh yes, there's everywhere. Cow dung everywhere.